another unboxing video. So last time I showed you the unboxing of Cricut Maker and what you can do with Cricut Maker. But there's more that you can do, so beware. It's a warning. If you decided to buy a Cricut Maker, you probably would be buying more for the materials and tools. And that's what happened to me. I don't regret it because I wanted to master my craft and use it for business in the future. So today I will be showing you what are the other tools and materials that I bought for my Cricut Maker. So the first one is this one. So let's open it. I ordered a Cricut engraving tool. So this one you can use for making engraves on thin plastics like acrylic, max 2mm acrylic plastic. You can also use this in soft metals to make bracelets, dog tags. That's why I decided to buy an engraving tool. Then I also buy this one is a standard grip mat. So when you buy a Cricut Maker, you only get one light grip mat and one fabric grip mat. So this one is a standard grip mat. So the one I bought is the 12 by 24 standard grip mat. So the one that I ordered is the 3 set in Amazon. So I'm living in Japan right now and it's cheaper to buy in Amazon.com than in Amazon Jade. On to the next one. So this is another grip mat. So I also ordered a strong grip mat because if I decided to cut thicker materials like basswoods, so you need a standard grip mat for that. So this is a 12 by 12 inch standard grip mat, and I only ordered 3 pieces. Set is cheaper compared if you would buy only 1 piece. On to the next one. So this is, I think, is vinyl. So this is vinyl for, as you can see, shirts. This is a heat transfer vinyl. So you make your designs, with your designs, then attach it to your shirt, then iron. So it says heat and transfer. So it will be transferred to your shirts once heat is applied. So I ordered assorted color. I think this is how many pieces? 64 pieces, I think. And on to the next one. This is what I've been waiting for too long. Yes. Cricut tools. Basic tool set. Essential tool set. Your scoring tool, so you use it when making folds in your cards or envelope. When you're making envelopes or cards, so you add scoring line so it will be easier to fold. Then the weeding tools, scraper tool. This one is to attach when attaching your vinyl or materials to the board, to the mat. Then your scissor and your cutter. On to the next one. And your heat transfer vinyl. So this is a combination with your vinyl. So if you buy vinyl, you really need to buy transfer tape for you to transfer your vinyl to your project. So this one is around, I think, 5 meters long. I ordered the longer one so I won't be ordering every time. Delivery fee is expensive, so I ordered this 5-meter long transfer tape. Then on to the next one. What is this? types of vinyl: heat transfer vinyl, removable vinyl, and permanent vinyl. So heat transfer vinyl is for shirts. Then removable vinyl is for decals, and permanent vinyl is for your making designs for tumblers, mugs, etc. I ordered another blade. This is a knife blade. Knife blade is used when cutting thicker materials. You can see that the blade is bigger. 12 mm blade. So this one is for materials that is 2 mm max in thickness. Then I also ordered easy press mat. This one is when you're doing the t-shirt projects. Easy press mat. I will show you later how to use this one. And this is the vinyl that I'm talking about. I found in Amazon a set combination of Oracle 361 and 351. So these are combination of removable vinyl and permanent vinyl. So I also ordered assorted color. It is 48 pieces. Oracle 651 and 631. On to the last one. So this is the most expensive among all the materials and tools that I ordered. I ordered Easy Press 2. This is a heat press. Easy Press 2. There are different sizes of Easy Press. So I ordered the medium size. 6x6 inch, 9x9 inch, and 12x12 inch. So 12x12 inch is too expensive for me, and 6x6 inch is too small for me. So I decided to go with the 9.9 inch. And yes, this is for shirts or anything, any fabric you want to attach your vinyl with. You can use it for that purpose. You can also use iron, your home iron, but this one is heat is more even. So it has super fast heating time, comfortable handle, and auto shut off. So you won't be having a problem when attaching your design to your shirts or fabric. Inside you will find, let's do this. Register your product. Activate your warranty. Please register your machine with the following. So it's for warranty, welcome book, like the one in CRICUT, and quick start guide. So they give you vinyl, heat transfer vinyl, so you can use it to try if that one is worth it. So I will try it later. And there you go. And this is your easy press. There you go. And your case. Underneath. So it's like a flat iron, but it's more even. The heat distribution is more even compared to normal home iron that we use. This is your base frame. So when you're not using, make sure to always put it here to avoid accidents. Let's try try this one. First, we get our easy heat press mat. So, dito mo siya ilalagay. Just here. And then, we are going to preheat set the easy heat press. Already plug in the easy heat press. Then, let's follow the quick guide. Set the temperature to 290 degrees Fahrenheit and set the timer for 30 seconds. So on. Then for the temperature, set to 290. Then for the time, 30 seconds. Okay. You can see here that the temperature is still rising. So, you can see here that it is color red, so meaning it is still heating. So, we are going to wait until it turns green and the temperature is reached. So, we set 290 degrees Fahrenheit. It's done. So here you can see that it already turns green and the temperature is already reached. So now we are going to proceed with attaching this design to our case. So first, we need to make sure that there are no wrinkles on the surface. No wrinkles and moisture. So it says here that press for around 5 seconds to make sure that it is flat. Then put the design on the center and then put your easy press. And then click start. So I applied a little more pressure. Okay. Says here that flip the side and press the other side for around 15 seconds. Let's remove the spooge. And yawa! Now let's turn it off. Make sure to turn off your machine and cool it down. This is the finished product. And these are all the tools and materials I bought for my Cricut Maker. I will be making more videos using these materials in the future. Thanks for watching, guys. If you are new to my channel, kindly hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Thanks for watching. Bye!